that's where I think some of the more forward-thinking firms are really saying, hey, if it can be digitized, it will be. If it can be made into a market, it will be. And if we're not going to do it for ourselves, someone else will.
Well, there is nothing which prevents a public company from doing what I was stressing for these two companies, which is basically to be able to create a business model which is both highly profitable and also very socially or societal.
I do think for leading change, we do need visionary leaders. All the people that I studied were visionaries, but one of the things you have to learn if you're a visionary is that you need to make space for other people because they have their visions and their passions that they want to bring into it.
Higher education, business schools, what's happening, what's your view, can we apply a new kind of design thinking on what we should do?
I just think that the concept of abstract theoretical learning has to be balanced with concrete, tangible practice. The difference between business school and design school is design school you just do project after project after project. In business school you learn lots of theories and lots of cases. We need to bring these two worlds together somehow.
Oh, you're obviously talking about Hult, that's for sure. What are your spontaneous reactions?
I found it super interesting that actually the speaker speaks so openly about problems. So it's not about like saying how amazing everyone is, but it's like saying, okay, we have like major problems and we need to face them.
I think there's a lot of theory and that they're presenting, so there's a lot of knowledge that they're kind of like bringing over. And so what I'm actually looking forward to is like putting that all into practice.
Of course, it is good to have people who are ambitious, but at the same time, they should be able to take pride in whatever it is that they are capable of doing, and then learn from.
All right, good. Well, Kumar Baguroda, thank you so much for spending time.